Now question number 2 over here is on congruency. If you are able to recognize that this question is on congruency, you are pretty much done with this question. So question number 2, in the diagram over here, the triangle TUX is actually congruent to UVW. So angle UTX over here is actually 40 degrees and angle VWU is actually 22 degrees and TU equals to 5.1 cm, VW equals to 7.7 cm and TX equals to 11.4 cm. So question asks us to find the angle TUX over here. So this is the angle that we need to find. So like I said earlier, this question is actually on congruency. So what you can do over here, there's a trick I can teach you. So how do I know what is angle TXU? We know that this triangle TUX is congruent to the triangle UVW. So let's do the order. TXU, angle TXU is actually equals to angle UWV. Notice how I actually circle the alphabets in order. Let me do it one more time. Angle TXU equals to angle UWV. So angle UWV is actually 22 degrees. So what I can see is that based on the congruency of the triangle, angle TXU is 22 degrees. So based on the working, since triangle TUX is congruent to triangle UVW, angle TXU equals to angle UWV, which is equals to 22 degrees. Now therefore, we can find angle TUX using the angle sum of the triangle. So angle TUX equals to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 22 degrees, and that gives me 118 degrees. Okay? And that's pretty much it, but we must state the reason: angle sum in a triangle. So that's it for 2A. Now 2B, again, we are using congruency. So again, let's do it this way. We want to find the length of WX. So actually we can find the length of WX by taking UW minus UX, and we are done, right? So what is the length of UW? So UW, again, look at how I actually order the alphabets, equals to TX. Okay, so UW equals to TX, which in this case is 11.4 cm. So now I found my UW, I need to find my UX. So UX equals to VW. UX equals to VW, and my VW is 7.7 cm. So earlier I have mentioned to find the length WX, I simply take UW minus UX. So WX equals to UW minus UX, which in this case is actually 11.4 minus 7.7. So that gives me 3.7 cm for the length of WX, and we are done with this question. So pretty much it's just you being able to identify that this question is on congruency, because very apparently the question already tell you that two triangles here are congruent. So what you need to do is to know for a fact that the ordering of the alphabets here tells you a lot of information. So if I want the length TU, then it will be equals to the length UV. If I want to know the length XT, it will be equals to the length WU. See how I have ordered the alphabets according to the two triangles. If I want to know the angle UXT, then I know that the angle UXT will be equals to VWU. Okay? So that's really the skills that you need to be able to learn to do this type of question on congruency.